Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, welcome. I'm glad that you stopped by. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed this room where I kept all of my craft items into finally making it my craft room. So this is how everything looks. I have everything on the floor. There's also a bed here, and I have everything in there in a big mess, and I'm gonna clean everything, empty the space, and then I'm gonna show you how I rearrange everything. So if we look at the first video that I just showed you, as you can see, I have some craft supplies almost everywhere in this room. This is a room in my basement that I initially wanted to make into a guest room, but then I wanted to have a craft room for myself, and everything just got piled up in here in random places, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna rearrange the space. The first thing I'm going to do off camera is just to get everything out of the space, including this the bend, and then this folding table, and I'm going to reorganize it. So once everything is removed, let me show you how my craft room turned out to be. So once you enter, I have this gorgeous blue door just to show that it's my craft room. I have a little bench there for my baby to sit around when I'm crafting. The little white table is where I keep my machine and my Cricut machine as well. I have a DIY home sign there, or hello sign right there. This is to the side a bench that I refinished. It was a dark brown color, and I refinished into this gorgeous white bright bench, and I have my kids come and sit there and watch me craft sometimes. I have this bread box that I'm looking to transform in the near future. Back here I have some floating shelves. These are some full floating shelves, and I had that made in my master bathroom makeover as well, and I use the same technique for this room. I love to store items in bookshelves. I think they are very practical. This bookshelf is from IKEA and it's super tall, and this is where I keep my paint, some craft books. I have some Dollar Tree pebbles, wooden dowels, the Jenga blocks right there. I have some bigger cans of paint underneath. So that's really where I keep my craft supplies. And then on these shelves I had anything to do with ribbons and fabrics that I have. Then I also have this closet that is very handy, and inside I keep all of my craft supplies in bulk. Here I have everything to do with like hardware that I use, a drill, my garbage disposal. And I love this table because it's very practical. It was very inexpensive from IKEA, and this is where I do my craft work. Hi there. And if we look into my closet, I'm so happy there is a light so I can see whatever I'm doing. And this is how I organize inside my closet. So I have all the wrapping papers and all of my craft supplies by season. So I have winter stuff, Easter, all the boards that you can find at Dollar Tree. And I love doing my nails here and there, so that's why there is a nail polish remover, and also to remove anything that's hard like a label. I have all of my floors down there, um, all the items for Halloween and for around fall time. And I have this letter box here that I keep any of my letters or anything that I need to read. And these box here, I keep my craft supplies. Right here you can see all of the jute and burlap is in there. And then the other one has all of my wooden items like wood signs and whatnot. So that's what I keep there. If you're joining my channel for the first time, then welcome to the DIY Residence. I upload new videos every week, and I share the many DIY projects that I do in hopes to inspire others to do crafts as well. So if this is something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss on any of my upcoming videos. Right here again, in these boxes, um, the other box right here is where I keep my popsicle sticks, from smaller ones to large, and all of my paint collection is in the bottom. Here I have some glass items that I use for my DIY projects, as well as the green moss. I have a footprint of my baby right here, and these are some stencils for the Cricut machine, and all of my paint, ranging from spray paint to my larger refill bottles and my acrylic and chalk paint. Like I said, I also have some craft book to get me some inspirations and ideas. I also have my paintbrush in there. So I find a bookshelf very practical because you can fit so much and you can organize them by shelves, which is very practical, and because it's open, it's really hard to see, it's really easy to see, so I think that's practical. I have this rolling cart that I got from IKEA. It's a bit of a mess if you see, but I'm able to find everything that I need at hand when I'm crafting, and I also have the craft supplies that I'm going to use in there. So this is how my crafting space look like. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's very short, but I wanted to show you how easy and affordable it could be to get your own craft room. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.